In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade in Pepperstone. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you actually have an MT4 or MT5 Pepperstone account. You can get this by going to pepperstone.com, and then you want to click on Join Now, and you want to create your account. And after doing so, you will have your dashboard over here where you can create your accounts for MT5, MT4, etc. Now, after you do that, what you're going to have to do is you will have to go to a separate platform, which is actually this one from Pepperstone. So pepperstone.signalstart.com, and here you will have to basically sign up for Signal Start. Okay, now here you can go ahead and click on sign up. Of course, if you want to, it's up to you. You can go ahead and see what you can do with this and what this actually is, and then if you're ready, you can click on sign up over here. And then you will have to set up the account either as a Signal follower or a Signal provider, okay? And of course, after you do that, you'll be able to connect your account by sharing the account details and password. So those will be available to you whenever you actually have your Pepperstone account. And then that's pretty much it, okay? So this is how you can copy trade. You can't actually do it alone with your trading account on Pepperstone. You'll have to also register over here for their Signal Start service, okay? So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.